Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you today? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It is beautiful here in Green Bay, Wisconsin. It actually kind of looks like spring. But that's not why you're here, are you? You saw the title. So let's see what you got to do to be entered in my 2K challenge giveaway. First off, I want to thank each and every one of you who come in to my live feeds, my videos, leave comments, talk to me. I consider you my friends in long distance. I enjoy each and every one of you. And when I hit the milestone of 2,000 a few weeks ago, it's been a couple weeks that I hit it. I sat back and waited a little bit just in case YouTube has a tendency to take some away. But they haven't. I'm at 2016 right now. So I'm like, yeah. But I was thinking, what can I do for yous to say thank you? So when I seen this past week on Sabrina the Mismatched Crafter, Hobby Lobby hauls and clearance, I was like, if I can get a certain item or certain items, that's going to be my giveaway. And I did. I'm so happy I got what I wanted. So, but to all fairness, I'm going to ask for just a little something back. Only 2 little somethings. And this is a must. Well, at least one is a must. I would like you to do a VR. If you don't do videos, that's fine. Because I know there's some people that watch me that they just have a YouTube name, but they don't do videos. I get it. I understand it. But if you do have a channel and you do videos and you go live, throw it out there. And if you do a VR, come back and leave it in the description or the comments for me so I know where it is and I'll go look at it. Okay? You don't get no extra bonus points. It's just a suggestion I'm asking, please. Now, but the next item is a must. To be entered, you have to do this. And it's only going to cost you a stamp. This is a must. If I don't get this from you, you're not entered. I would like a memory dex card from you or an index card. And what I mean by memory dex card, and I'm going to show two, and y'all know what an index card is. Okay. You can do it this size, you can do it, this size, or an index card. Doesn't matter. I want you to decorate it your style. And on the back of it, I would like your name, your YouTube name, your address, your favorite color, and your birthday. That's it. Cost you a stamp. So just decorate it. You don't have to make it real puffy where it costs you a lot to, an extra couple stamps to send it. Just leave it flat. Just decorate it and send it to me. Now, if you don't know my address, my email address will be in the description with all this I'm talking about. And you can email me and I will give you my address. Now, it starts today, April 3rd, and it will end May 31st. So I have plenty of time in between, guys, and so do you. I will be picking the winner on June 5th. I decided to give a few days after May 31st because I know the 31st is a holiday. But it gives me time to get organized because all I'm going to do is I will do a video every time I get an index card. They will be going in and I'm going to find a container and I'm going to go in there and maybe if I have one of my grandkids that weekend, I'm going to shake it up or I'm going to give you a number. I haven't decided on that part yet, but either way, your entry for you to be entered, you have to send me a memory index card or an index card with your name, your YouTube address, or your YouTube name, your address, your favorite color, and your birthday. Sorry, I mixed up there. So, should I get to what you're going to get? This is a biggie, guys. So, and this is only for USA. Because there's no way I could afford to ship this overseas. So, I'm sorry. So, what I'm going to do is, if you are from overseas and you still want to enter, and you send me a memory index card, I will put amount of money in your PayPal. And I'm probably thinking about $25. So, and if I have a United Stateser and an overseaser, that sounds funny, there will be 2 winners. So, you will get, first I'm going to start with, showing you what you get. So I'm going to go through that again. If you are overseas, you still would have to send me a memory index card, okay? And I would put $25 into your PayPal account. You must have a PayPal account. So you will not be eligible for the prizes. You would get PayPal money. There we go. I think I said that right. If you have any questions, just email me about that one. So for the prizes, first thing you're going to get is this Strathmore Bristol heavy acid-free heavyweight for finished art and pen ink. I've used it for marker, by the way. I've used it for paint. It works really good. And it's just white. I'll try to get you one where, like, see, I just did it when I opened it. I will grab a new one so they're not loose. My bad. But you will get one of these. You also will get the Tri-Blends by Spectrum Noir. This is dark red blend. You get that one. You will get the Tri-Blend True Blue blend. You will get the Gold Brown blend. You will get the Fair Skin blend. And you will get the Hydrangea blend. So you get all those. Also, you also will get the Parchment paint, purple paint. It says purple gray. And you will get the transparent red. And you will get a acrylic paint pod that's got a couple different colors in. And you will get a 8-inch hard rubber ink brayer and a hard rubber ink brayer 6-inch and dun, da, 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 a 12 by 12 jelly plate. So I'm all excited, guys. I'm really excited about this. And I hope the prizes you like. To thank you for subbing to me and enjoying my channel, being my friend. So, all you have to do is send me a memory index card. And if you have a channel, do me a shout out video VR. And like I said, United States gets the prize. If you're from the United States, you get this. And if you are not in the United States, and I happen to I don't think I have too many people that aren't in the United States. So, if you happen to be from out of the United States and you send me a memory index card, I will put $25 in your PayPal account. You must have PayPal. It's the only thing I have. If you have any questions, my email and all this information will be in the description box below. So I hope you come along, enjoy my 2K challenge giveaway. And I want to thank each and every one of you for coming in and listening to me craft and talk and rant sometimes. I try to make it fun. Try to have conversations with you ladies. I know I asked Diamond, my daughter, if I was opinionated. She goes, you have an opinion, but you're not an opinionated person, is how she put it. You're usually open to discussion. So, I know we've had some deep conversations on my lives. So, I hope to have mine every day or from now until the end of May. See those memory index cards coming in for this awesome giveaway. Now, I will tell you, I'm going to ship this the cheapest way because this does not fit in a priority box or a priority bag. So you may get all this separate and get this shipped by itself. Okay? But you will get it all. Because you will see how I figure out shipping on this. Because the first thing I did is see if this fit and it didn't. So, but I got this cool box that this could just fit in. So We'll see what I come up with. But either way, all this could be yours. Just to send me a memory index card with your name, YouTube name, even if you don't do videos, okay? If you don't do videos, but you do watch, still put your name in there as my YouTube, okay? Your address, because you never know, I might send you something. Your favorite color and your birthday. That's all I want, everybody. And in a VR, if you do have a channel and you do videos or lives, just throw it out there. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody, and have a good day.